differentiation. I'm not going to go through the theory just yet. I'm going to purely just explain to you the method. And it's quite a simple method. Let's say y equals 2x to the power of 3. When you differentiate, you can represent it, or the symbol for differentiation, shall I say, is dy over dx. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the power and you're going to multiply by the number in front of your unknown, so the coefficient of x. So you're going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. After doing that, you take 1 away from the power, x squared. That's it. That's how you differentiate. It's as easy as that. Now, I've written y and I've written dy by dx. It can also be represented as fx, which is your function, equivalent to your y, and then f dash x, which is equivalent to your dy by dx. So you're going to see it in either of the two ways. Okay, so let's say my function is, let me make it up, 5y to the power of minus 7. You're going to take the power, you're going to multiply. So 5 times minus 7 is minus 35. You write your letter, y, and then you minus 1 from the power, minus 8. That's it. That is differentiation. Okay? I've put up some questions for you to try. I want you to give those a go. Before you do, here's what I suggest you do. In questions like G and I and J, you want to simplify first, okay? And then you're going to differentiate. So give those a go for me, please. A. 3x squared. Y equals 3x squared. So dy by dx, you're going to times by the power 6. You're going to write your letter x. You're going to minus 1 from the power 1. So technically just 6x. That's your answer. C. Y equals a half x to the power of 4. Times by your power 4 over 2. Write your letter x minus 1, 3. And you can simplify that into 2x cubed. Cool. G. Let's simplify. Oh, sorry, hold on. Missed one. E. It's 6x to the power of 5 over 4. Okay. That's equal to y. Dy by dx. 6 times 5 over 4 is 30 over 4 x, and now you minus 1 from the power, a quarter, which simplifies to 15 over 2 x to the power of a quarter. Now we can move on to G. Y equals 4x to the power 6 over 2x cubed. Let's simplify that first. 2x cubed. Now we can differentiate. Times by the power 6, write your letter, minus 1, 6x squared. Cool. I, let me write I here. Minus 2 over root x. Let's rewrite that. Let's bring let's turn the root into a power and let's bring the power up. So minus 2x to the minus a half. Now I'm ready to differentiate. So minus 2 times a half is just 1 x, and then you minus 1 from the power, minus 3 over 2. You can leave it like that, or you can write it as 1 over x to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, last one, j. J is root 5x to the power of 4 times 10x all over 2x squared. That's equal to y. Okay, so root 50x to the power of 5 over 2x squared, root 25x cubed. Okay, this can simplify to 5x, or 5 root x cubed, and that simplifies to 5x to the power of 3 over 2. Now you're ready to differentiate. 15 over 2 x to the power of a half, which is the same as 15 root x over 2. Okay, that is differentiation. As you can see, knowing your indices is very, very, very important. So if you feel like you're rusty with indices, go back, try and find some questions on it. I would suggest using the textbook, try and find any exam questions. Whatever it is, go through those. Get comfortable with indices and surds and working with them, because they come up all the time with differentiation. But yes, that is differentiation.